Right now, there are almost 200,000 communities on Skool, and most of them are set up wrong from day one. I know because I help run one of the largest communities on the platform, and I've seen it happen hundreds of times. So, I am going to make this video to save you from wasting hours clicking around confused on where to start. Let's get to work. So, we're going to start from scratch. As you can see, I'm on the page where I can create my new community. If you want to start your own, I've got an affiliate link down in the description below for you to get to this page. If I hit create community, I'll be able to see hobby plan and pro plan, $9 a month and $99 a month, as well as a monthly and a yearly option. And I can pick one or the other. When I'm just starting out, I might want to pick the hobby just because it's cheaper. But of course, I get more features if I upgrade to the $99 a month plan. And as I become more advanced in Skool, I start monetizing and everything. A lot of these features become really important. But for now, we'll just start with the hobby plan. So as you can see, it is asking me to create a group name, and it's even telling me I can change it later. And then I've got my card information down here. And for the group name, it doesn't really matter what you pick right now. You can always change it later, even if you don't know what the topic your Skool community is going to be about. We can just have it be, for example, Yaz community. Oh, misspelled my own name again. Perfect. First try. So I'll start my free trial. And boom. I'm in. Now, as you can see, I've got a bunch of different things going on here. I've got even an intro thing here that I can watch this video. I can set my cover image. I can invite 3 people. I can write my first post. And then it's already detected that I have the app, which is kind of creepy. So if I go around, I can start to see the classroom, the calendar. I can see my member list, which is just me. I can see my community map, which is also just me. My leaderboard, which isn't set up yet. And my about page. And we'll go through each one of these things step by step. First and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our icon and our cover image for the community. There's also a bunch of other stuff on the screen, but for now we're just going to worry about a little bit of the branding. Now, I could create some pretty simple templates on Canva, or we can go to the free Goosify Skool community and go to the classroom, and we've got a classroom module just with templates on your cover image and everything else. So if I click on here and I go to Canva, I can see these templates, and then I can make my own copy. Or actually, I think up here, I can dupe it. And now I've got my own that I can edit. So if I go to this one, for example, full-time filmmaker, I think this is a great image to use. I can go up to my images, try to find something that I've got. And keep in mind, I mean, these are just things that I've gotten with my phone camera. Maybe this one. This one's a pretty good one. So I can use the background remover, or if you've got the free version of Canva, you can just look up online background remover. And then I can make it full-time volleyballer. It's something I've started to do recently. And then I can make this my own color, like red. It's not red. Almost there, though. That's not the best color. Let's make it a gradient. Some cool, mysterious. Yeah, could be something like that. It's not perfect. I can always change it later, though. So we can just go with this. So if I download this up here, now it's downloading, and now it's downloaded. I can go back to my Skool community, which is conveniently pinned up here. I can set my cover image. And boom. And the icons aren't as important, but same old thing. I can go here. And boom. I have my icons here. I got a little apple. Got a bunch of shit I can scroll through and steal from. Let's go with the apple. Let's just steal that for now. I just skipped ahead so that we can move on from the branding stuff because you don't want to spend too much time on it. I've just got a fun little image I made from one of the templates that are in the classroom. And you can see it's not perfect at all, but that's okay. So I make volleyball awesome is what I put down here. If you got the topic of your community, then go ahead and put that here in one sentence. You can put, I help people get amazing at volleyball. And that's it. Or you could put, get amazing at volleyball. That's also really good. So just make it simple, make it straightforward, and that's all you need to do for that. And if you don't have a group topic or anything for the description here, you could just be figuring it out. Figuring it out. Something like that. So the next thing we're going to do is make a welcome post. As soon as members join the community, they're going to want to know what the first thing is that we want them to do. And what is that? It's to introduce themselves. So we're going to go up here where it says write something and click that. And you'll see there are even templates down here. So if I put ask members to introduce themselves, boom, I've got a template right built into the Skool. So we can change it up a little, make it a little more personal, put the emoji at the front, stuff like that. Even change up the emoji to something cooler. I don't know, an alien or something. And so we can have, instead of share a pic of your workspace, we could put share a pic of you playing volleyball. Something like that. Or we can even remove that from the title completely just to make it simple. A photo of you playing volleyball. And something you like to do for fun is also good. Or we can even put your experience level. And then to make it a little less friction, if you have one. Perfect. And that's it. For that, we can also put a little GIF down here. Those are always helpful. And then that's about it. The next thing we're going to do is go straight to the calendar and set up our first regular event. Now, what this will do is that once people join the community, they'll be able to meet you somewhat face to face, and you'll be able to meet them. You guys will be able to see that you guys are both real people, and it really changes the dynamic of the entire community. It makes it much better. So we'll click on one of these templates. We could put coffee hour, for example, and we could put recurring event. Happens once a week, every Thursday. And then that's it. Once I do that, I think I'm missing, the time. We could put 10 a.m., bit of a late riser, I think. Add, and boom. Now we've got that on the calendar forever. I can also change this picture up here, but it doesn't really matter. The cats they're cute. So that's the full setup. If you want to skip even more of that learning curve, I've dropped 2 links down below in the description. The first is your free 14-day trial to start your own Skool community. The second is a link to our free Skool community where we give away everything, the templates, the systems, everything that you learned in this video and more, completely free in that community. We host weekly group calls where you can learn everything that you need to know and ask the questions that you have. Both links are down in the description below. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start getting your first members in your community and scale from there. See you there. Peace.